In the heart of Southern California's beautiful Coachella Valley, there's one television show unlike anything else on local television. A show where laughter is always on the menu. Friendships are celebrated. Music fills the air. And every episode feels like Sunday dinner with the family. Welcome to Wise Guys Cooking. Zany wise guys cook up laughs. Since its debut on NBC in 2017, Wise Guys Cooking has become one of Palm Springs' favorite locally produced entertainment programs, delivering a unique blend of comedy, celebrity guests, unforgettable music, authentic Italian cooking, fascinating travel adventures, and the vibrant personalities that make the desert such a special place to call home. Led by Frank DeSalvo, the desert's premier entertainer, the Wise Guys family brings together an extraordinary cast of performers who know one thing better than anyone: how to entertain. From the smooth sounds of Larry Capilotto to the remarkable vocals of Michael Dees, whose voice recreated Frank Sinatra for HBO's acclaimed The Rat Pack, and the unforgettable Dean Martin-inspired fun of Paul Elia and pianist Johnny Morris. Ready for an adventure? Join Alfred Zappala and Esther Vida as You, Me, and Sicily transports viewers through Sicily's breathtaking villages. Then there's the food. Rebecca Romano serves up authentic Italian recipes filled with family tradition and irresistible flavors that will have you reaching for another helping before the credits roll. The excitement continues with an all-new season packed with even more reasons to watch and numerous nationally recognized productions. Together, they blend the timeless charm of classic television with the energy and creativity of modern filmmaking. This isn't just another cooking show. It's comedy, it's music, it's unforgettable personalities, it's travel, it's family. It's the heart and soul of the Coachella Valley. So gather around the table, bring your appetite, and don't forget your sense of humor. Wise Guys Cooking, celebrating the people, the restaurants, the entertainment, and the lifestyle of the Coachella Valley.